Welcome back to Great Day on this very special Tuesday. In honor of the date 2/22/22, we are looking at some classic dishes that from time to time repeat on local menus, and one that will soon be a repeat offender because it's not good. Our buddy George Mahe is the dining editor of St. Louis Magazine. I always love whenever you're in studio because you really bring the goods.
You always say, you smell so good. I said, no, it's just the food, really.
And that's fine, especially the garlic. I really like this idea because you have brought a few dishes that you just keep seeing popping up because they're that good.
Well, they're that good, and I got in the Tuesday, Super Tuesday spirit. So we start with brasserie, and this one reappears every winter. This is Cassoulet, the classic French peasant dish. That's where it came from the word casserole, the dish that it's traditionally cooked in. They do theirs in an iron skillet. Cook it, serve it the same way. The classic ingredients: confit duck. This is garlic sausage that they make in-house. There's some pork belly, cannellini beans, all the classic stuff that goes into cassoulet. And it's on the menu again at Brasserie for the winter. It's a very wintertime dish, and you should get the gougere with it. We should get the gougere with anything.
Every time, I would say.
So these are little puffs that are made with Gruyere cheese, and I'm telling you, you eat one and it's like glazed potato chips. You're going to want another one. You're going to have. So 5 come to an order. Keep that in mind when you order it, because you should probably order 2 orders. That's just a classic signature dish at Brasserie.
And especially with the winter weather coming this week, I want to dive in.
It's perfect, and it'll stay on the menu probably most of the winter. Another classic dish. This is from Café Provençal out in Kirkwood, and this is duck à l'orange, which we've heard about since we were all kids. And again, classic presentation. It's a duck breast, pan-seared, some fresh vegetables, killer au gratin potatoes.
Looks good.
But what you get here is the orange sauce. So that goes on there, made with orange juice, a little lemon juice, Grand Marnier. So that's their classic dish. You'll see a lot of classic dishes out at Provençal. You know, different items like beef bourguignon and coquille Saint-Jacques, but this is the featured one for a while. Again, classic dish making a repeat.
I'm so hungry. And then the newcomer, Juniper. When you brought this in, I thought this was an odd-looking oatmeal. I'm very wrong, right?
Yeah, it's better than that. It really is. No, this is. I talked to John Perkins. I said, what's reoccurring on your menu? And he told me a couple things. I said, and then he told me about this dish, and I said, oh my gosh, that's it. I said, is it a classic? He goes, it soon will be, and it will repeat. I guarantee it. So this is grilled hen of the woods mushrooms, and it's over. Jimmy red corn grits. It's a red corn. It's a bright red corn, so you get this red flecks to it, and it's a real nutty heirloom type item.
And our small popcorns on here.
Yeah, and this is sorghum grains that have been popped. You can do it just like popcorn, not as big, but this has got some Cajun spice on it, and there's a little Cajun spiced butter that goes on that dish to top that off. Juniper has a lot of kind of southern home style dishes. You can throw a few microgreens on that. So there's your soon to be classic dish.
Perfect.
Repeat dish from Juniper, and their must get item is their cornbread. Bacon fat fried cornbread.
Matt's excited.
Matt's 3 favorite words: bacon fat fried. You get that with herb butter, and you can just tell by look. That's just a beautiful thing.
It is everything.
It goes with everything they serve, and Juniper is. Been there for several years, and within the last couple of years, they have a signature chef, a renowned chef that's joined them on board. So it was great, and it's getting greater over there. They're doing Sunday brunch. They're adding Saturday brunch in a week or 2. That's going to repeat also. See, I'm keeping that theme alive
and we like it.
So so that's Juniper, and I love what they do on their day off. He sends out a playlist to those on his email list.
Okay.
We're not here today, but we're going to give you a little present so that to kind of get you through the day and remember us on this day.
Mission accomplished.
So the owner is programming music on his day off. It's a great marketing idea.
It sure is.
All these goodies, repeat Tuesday.
So good. If you are a foodie like George, you must subscribe to the St. Louis Magazine Dining Newsletter on their website. I have subscribed to it. I love it. You're always talking about different do's and don'ts at restaurants too. Love that
Etiquette,
stuff as well. Yes.
Very important.
So check out our website, kmov.com/greatday following the show.
Good stuff.
I would just
Right?
like to salute the man who looked at cornbread and bacon fat and thought,
Let's put them
yeah,
together.
let's do
Let's
this.
try it and
Let's
see.
make this happen.
What's the worst that could happen?
You come up with this beauty.
Yeah.
Thank you, George and Laura. We appreciate it. All of the dishes sound excellent. Thank you, guys.